Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max, comprehensive review of leaks, design, specs, and price. Apple, the technology titan, is prepping for another grand entrance into the smartphone market with its forthcoming iPhone 15 series. Among the lineup, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to steal the show as the high-end, feature-rich model. Leaks and renders about the iPhone 15 have already given us a glimpse into what to expect. This detailed review delves into the specs, design, price, and much more about this eagerly awaited device. A deep dive into iPhone 15 Pro Max specs. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is rumored to be powered by the cutting-edge A17 Bionic chipset, potentially based on the groundbreaking 3nm process technology. With up to 8GB RAM, it's set to provide a performance leap beyond its predecessors. In Geekbench SIXS single-core performance, the iPhone 15 Pro Max reportedly scores an impressive 3019, dwarfing the iPhone 14 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which scored 2523 and 2000, respectively. This hints at the device's superior processing power. Other notable specs include Apple's latest iOS 17, a substantial 4,500 mAh battery, a sizable 6.7-inch display, and the inclusion of the faster Wi-Fi 6E. These features signal a powerful and efficient smartphone ready to handle intensive tasks. The sleek design of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Leak-based news has shed light on a refined iPhone 15 Pro Max design. The phone is expected to feature a curved design with an eye-catching aesthetic. The screen remains flat, but the slim side bezels within the curved area enhance the bezel-less feel. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is also speculated to feature the thinnest bezels in smartphones, measuring a mere 1.55mm. This results in a larger screen-to-body ratio, promising an immersive viewing experience. One of the most notable design changes in the iPhone 15 Pro Max is the introduction of a USB Type-C port, a first for the iPhone series. However, Apple may regulate charging speeds on non-MFI certified third-party chargers and cables. The device is also expected to feature a titanium frame with haptic volume buttons and a new action button reminiscent of the one on the Apple Watch Ultra. Next-level photography with iPhone 15 Pro Max cameras. Camera-wise, news leaks suggest that the iPhone 15 Pro Max will carry forward the same system as its predecessor, featuring the 48MP Sony IMX803 sensor. However, a significant upgrade in the form of a new periscope lens is on the cards. Recent reports have proposed that the periscope camera on the iPhone 15 Pro Max could potentially provide nearly double the optical zoom capacity of current iPhones. Built into the telephoto lens, the periscope camera might offer 5x/6x optical zoom, a significant upgrade from the 3x zoom of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The expected price tag of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Pricing has always been a hot topic when it comes to new Apple devices, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max is no exception. Some reports suggest that the price of this flagship model could increase by as much as $200, setting the starting price at $1,299, a steep rise from the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Another leak suggests that the price increase might be $100, but only in the US regardless, with a starting price tag of $1,299 and potentially reaching as high as $1,799 for the 1TB model. The iPhone 15 Pro Max appears to be gearing up to redefine the premium smartphone segment. In summary, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, as the anticipated high-end smartphone in the iPhone 15 series, is brimming with exciting possibilities. With its robust specs, sleek design, impressive camera capabilities, and premium pricing, Apple appears poised to continue its tradition of pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology. However, all these speculations are based on leaks and render, and the actual device might differ. So, stay tuned for the official announcement.